Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Mitsubishi Outlander. This is the Outlander on my back, and I just bought from eBay the Android and dashboard. So I'm going to show you how to install this with a bunch of harness, wirings, and camera, reverse camera. There's a lot of connection here, so I'm gonna show you already in my car. Just gonna remove these two screws, one here, one there. Okay. So it's just gonna be pop up, pop out. There you go. And there's a connection here for the passenger seats alarm. And hey, there's a bunch of a small screw here. Just remove there. And then gonna need this. I'm just gonna focus my camera. Yeah, you're gonna need this one. There we go. And remove the ribbon. Normally just pop out. Yeah, you're gonna need this for the new dashboard. And yeah, and then this one you have to remove the screw there. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay. First. And then have to focus the camera. So this one is there. Oh, come on. Right. Right, and then just pop it out. Come out like this. Right, a little bit tight, but okay. This one also. Put this out in your antenna. Right, there you go. That's the old one. So I just connected the hazard signal here, but it's so tricky because this one doesn't have connector here, which is the old one. Unlike the old one, there is a connector here, so it's quite a bit tricky. So what I did is I just connect this one first to the PCB and attach it. So I'm just gonna do the final screw and put it all together. Right, so now you're complete for this one. Okay, so It's a new one. That's the old one. And remember that you have to remove this one too, because we can use this one also. So this is gonna be 4 pieces. So you're gonna need to connect this Android to the dashboard. Yeah, and it should be fitted like this. Yeah. Now if you can see the screw, you have the screw on the pocket, and yeah, just connect it. Until you finish everything here. So basically I connect everything. This is for the power harness, and I already connect the microphone, goes to my dashboard, and I already connect the camera. So just follow the instruction at least, and you know the GPS connection. I already connect everything. I'm just gonna stick out some of the inside. And the USB 1, USB 2, everything was connected already with the camera. So I just pull out from my cover from here, and then I'm just gonna run out through the back. Okay, and yeah, basically ready to go for this part. And I just gotta connect the grounds, and then it should be done. Okay, see you later. So what we did is we put all the wirings to this side, remove everything here and goes to there, and my son Renzo pulled the wirings to here, so from there to here, and we end up here. So what's going to do is we're gonna put this wire, goes to this side and come out this here, and should be come out here, and then I just remove the cover from this side, the back, and I'm gonna attach this camera to this. So let's see. So your job is to put all the wire from here throughout, from there going up there. So we normally using the small wire. Okay, see you later. is working. Oh, works. Perfect.
Placement lang.
Yeah. Huh?
Okay na
I
placement.
think should be fine, right? I think should be fine. Good. Excellent. Excellent. And final touch.